Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're working on a Chaser. Right here we got a new bumper that's gonna replace the OEM Series 2 bumper. As much as I like this bumper, it's been what, 3-4 years that I've had it, so I'm kind of bored. So I had the opportunity to buy this new bar here. If you guys remember Will from the last video that we did, that was actually the last cruise with his Chaser because he actually sold it. And he had this bumper laying around, and it was an offer that I could not say no to. So yeah, now it's in my hands and I'm going to install it. The Chaser's gonna look so mint. Can't wait for this change because I've never had anything aero that's changed except for the fenders, but I bought the fenders with the Chaser, so this will be the first major change. Yeah, Linda's here today to help me out. She wants to be a little assistant today. Even though I don't need help, but let's install a bumper together. Maybe you can install yourself. We'll see.
I cannot install by myself.
We'll see. Alright, let's get started. Haven't taken the bumper out in a while. Filthy. This Chaser is so neglected at times. It's just been raining like almost every day, so it's not worth washing the car regularly these days. There should be a straight bolt-on install. It's gonna do a test fit before I get rid of those fog lights into the new bumper. Let's see how easy this goes. Yeah, what do you think, babe?
Impressive.
Looks pretty nice.
Yeah, good change.
I like it. It suits the fenders.
Yeah.
Dang, it looks so good. It suits the front end right now. It suits the wheels. It's like a drift spec now. So this hole there should go to that hole. I just don't know how hard it is to get this out of this bar. Oh, look at that, babe. Nice and easy.
Oh, nice. Thought it would take you 10 years again.
Yeah. Look at that. I need to redo this like ASAP. The clear coat's going and the inside glass is like
Foggy.
Can you hear that?
Oh my god,
It's
loose
like,
bolts?
Nah, the glass inside cracked.
Oh my god, so ghetto, babe.
Yeah. There's a little smack.
Like how you slap the watermelon at the supermarkets?
Always. And the rice bag.
And the rice bags. Sprinkle.
It's raining.
Huh? What did you snap?
Ah crap, I actually cracked the hole because the washer that I use, I don't know why, I thought it was a good idea to reuse this, but this actually cracked it because it's too big. So got another washer from the toolbox. See if this will be better, and I hope it can hold. Alright guys, so I'm having troubles because I can't install it like this. The bolt keeps slipping out, so I just have to cable tie it now by eye. I'm just gonna drill it right near there. I've drilled a new hole, and I cable tied it, and the fitment is mint. We did it, boys. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, huh? What you guys think of the new bar? Comment down below. To me, this looks so nice. Just look at it. It's got that little drift spec going on now. So new front bar. Suits the fenders, man, I gotta say. And the Gano doors just pops out more. Wow. On the way to the hospital. Damn, it's so mint. So currently I'm on my way to the animal hospital. Been in and out. I've been keeping this behind the scenes, but it's been costing me a lot of money. But anyone that has a dog or a pet, I advise you to get pet insurance, because this one right here is a very expensive piece. It's actually more expensive than a human being. But yeah, we're on our final stages now, trying to figure out what's going on with my dog. He's lost a lot of weight. Hey Pretzel, after I drop him off, then we're gonna work on the cars again. We won't see Pretzel for another day because he's gonna be in the hospital for the night or 2 nights, because he's gonna do a biopsy sort of procedure. Something in his body is rejecting everything pretty much. So yeah, it's my boy. I don't put him on my vlogs that much, but today I decided to, because he's my little boy. You ready to go, Pretzel? You guys, he's ready. He's ready. This guy, man. Jesus Christ. Bye. Alright guys, we're back working on Chaser again. Today we've seen some rain. Now it's like sunny as hell. Anyways, going to install these 15mm hub-centric spacers. It comes with an extended stud, whereas the current ones at the moment are 5mm and it doesn't come with extended studs. I am kind of nervous installing these 15mm because I don't know how much space I got left. I know I might need more camber after I install these, but worth a try. The only reason why I'm considering doing this is because there's actually not much stud space when I tighten the lug nuts on, so it's kind of dangerous to drive around. So having these is just an extra safety in my opinion. Not bad. More aggressive, obviously, like a lot more wider. Yeah, I'd say that fits. That compared to that. Both spacers are on now. It's a lot more aggressive on the front. Alright, now the last thing to do is the number plate. And I'm sure the hole sizes are different. Sick. Okay, so good news is the number plates are on and the holes line up, but the screws are actually not big enough. This is a nightmare. So close. Guys, as much as I hate to admit, these holes line up perfectly, right? Screws go in well, but I've tried every spare screw and try to avoid drilling this bumper, but I might need to anyway. Oh my god, I did it, guys. Oh, she's on. Man, this car looks so different now. I'm digging this new front bar. I think I'm gonna stay with this for a very long time. Yeah, I think the plate's in a good position too. Very nice.